Good day, sir. Here's my PLC program in intermediate challenge E for the drilling. So this is my PLC ladder diagram, and this section is the operation panel where we will use PB1 and SW1 or switch 1. In this section naman po, dito natin makikita kung paano gumana yung program na ating ginawa. So in this program, we have two parts. The first part is the overall control. So when we press PB1, magsusupply po itong ating supply command. And when we press SW1, magfo-forward po itong ating conveyor. So ganito po yung nangyayari. So as we can see po, mag-off lang yung ating conveyor when we turn off switch 1. And for the second part, control of drill, when the sensor of part under drill X1, this one, and the drill is turned on, the conveyor stop. When start drilling Y2, this one, is turned on, the drilling part, start drilling Y2 turned off when drilling X0 is set to on. When start drilling Y2 is turned on, either drilled correctly X2, this one, or drilled wrong X3 is set on after the drill machine has operated for one complete cycle. After drilling correctly X2 or drilled wrong X3 is confirmed, the work is carried and put on the tray at the right. When multiple holes are drilled wrong X3 is set on. So sabi po dito sa second part, once na yung ating part ay tumapat dito sa ating drilling section, mag-stop po si conveyor, then mag-iilaw si start drilling. And ilaw po si drilling kapag binutasan na yun. At ayun po, madidetect nitong X1 kapag meron na ditong part sa drill, part under drill. Then kapag tama po yung na-drill, iilaw si X2, and once na nagkaroon ng multiple drill dun sa part na tumapat dito, magkakailaw dito sa drill drum. So try po natin. Supplyan po natin siya, then on po natin to. So ganun po yung nangyari. Katulad ng sa command. Then diretso na po siya dito sa X5 para ilagay doon sa lalagyan. So try po ulit natin ng isa pa. So kita po natin na hindi po nabutasan. Kaya po nagkaroon dito ng drill drum. So that's all po. Thank you.